Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious Leche Flan using Kremdensada, an incredibly easy method. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You will need 1 can of Kremdensada, 1 can of condensed milk, 6 egg yolks, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. For the caramel, prepare 1/4 cup of white sugar. This recipe is straightforward and yields a wonderfully creamy dessert every time. Now, let's create that essential caramel base. Take 1/4 cup of white sugar and melt it slowly in your anura over low heat. Gently swirl the pan to ensure the sugar melts evenly and coats the bottom. Watch carefully as it transforms into a beautiful golden amber. Remember, patience is key here. Avoid burning the sugar, as that will give your flan an unpleasant bitter taste. With our caramel ready, it's time to prepare the creamy flan mixture. In a bowl, combine your 6 egg yolks, 1 can of Kremdensada, and 1 can of condensed milk. Add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract for that lovely aroma and taste. Gently whisk these ingredients together until they are just combined and smooth. Be careful not to over-whisk, as too much air can affect the flan's texture. Finally, we're ready to steam our delicious Leche Flan. Carefully pour the prepared flan mixture into your anura over the set caramel. Steam it for approximately 30 to 45 minutes, or until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. Once cooked, let it cool slightly, then chill it in the refrigerator for at least 4 hours. This ensures a perfectly set and refreshing dessert.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.